Reply.io is a sales automation platform that helps streamline outreach through email sequences, follow-ups, and multi-channel communication. Here's how to use it for beginners. Sign up and log in. Start by signing up on the Reply.io website and logging into your account. Connect your email and other channels. In the dashboard, go to the channel section to connect your email account, LinkedIn, and other communication platforms. This allows you to send messages from multiple channels. Create an email sequence. Under the Sequences tab, click on Create New Sequence. Write your initial email and then create follow-up emails that will be sent automatically at set intervals. You can also personalize emails with dynamic fields. Upload your leads. Import your leads through CSV files or connect your CRM to pull contact details. Automate outreach. Once the sequence is ready, you can start a campaign, and Reply.io will automatically send emails to your contacts at the scheduled times. It also tracks replies, opens, and bounces. Track performance. Use the analytics tool to monitor email performance and optimize your campaigns.